Hello friends, welcome to my channel Learn French with Kith. Learn French with me in the most easiest, fastest way, and with a whole lot of fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to receive updates on my latest French learning video. Today we will start with French numbers from 20 to 50. So let's get started. 20,
20,
21,
21,
or
21,
for feminine. 22,
22,
23,
23,
24,
24,
25,
25,
26,
26,
27,
27,
28,
28,
29.
29,
Watch out with
20,
don't say the T when it's alone, but do say the T when it's followed by another number. 30,
30,
31,
31,
or
31,
for feminine. 32,
32,
33,
33,
34,
34,
35,
35,
36,
36,
37,
37,
38,
38,
39,
39,
40,
40,
41,
41,
or
41,
for feminine. 42,
42,
43,
43,
44,
44,
45,
45,
46,
46,
47,
47,
48,
48,
49,
49,
50.
50.
So in the end of this video, don't forget to subscribe and tell us in the comment what you would really want to hear in the next lessons. See you next time. Bye bye.